Today, we're unwrapping this thing. Go get the shop warm with it, get more stuff done, see how it does in the Montana winter. Today we're gonna get the shop warm. It's like 10, 13, something like that outside. But we got this from Harbor Freight last night. We took advantage of one of their coupons. It was spent over 100 bucks, get 25 bucks off. Instructions. Got us a hose. Got us a wrench. Best part. The heater. So, just from kind of quickly looking it over, I like how light it is. I know sometimes it could probably be negative that it's light, but it's easy to move around and tote. So, yeah, I mean, looks pretty solid. So, ignite button, power button, and you got the control knob here, and then the gas valve. So, let's see what we need to do to get it fired up. We gotta knock this chill out of the shop. So back here is where the hose will connect. All right, so the tank is on. Got it plugged in. We're gonna turn this on, and then you're gonna press this valve in, and let's press that in. You'll hear the propane, then you press the ignite button. You got heat. Clockwise is going low. Counterclockwise, cranks are wide open. We'll leave it on low. It's 22. Well, just leave it for about 20 minutes and see what it does. So, I am probably 10 foot away, and I can already feel the heat from that thing, and this is right there. So, like I said, I'm gonna let it run for about 20 minutes and come back and check it and see. So the box said it's good for about 1,350 square foot. My shop is, let's call it a 40 by 40. for easy math. So I don't expect it to make me want to wear shorts out here, but as long as it knocks the nip out, I'll be more than happy. So I am curious to see how long a propane tank will last with it. I don't really plan to get it much off a low unless it gets bad cold and I have a real need to be in the shop. So we'll let it warm up in here and come check it back out. All right, well, it's a little early, but 3 till. But this thing's knocking the chill off pretty good. Now, granted, I'm 2 foot away right now and it feels amazing, but just over by the welding table, it's not terrible. So I'm gonna leave it running for a little bit longer, and I'm gonna do some cleaning. Got to run to the mailbox, and it should be very comfortable in here. I'll probably still stay bundled up because, you know, you got to go in and out of the garage. But so far, I think it is a screaming deal. Just take full advantage of it, man. It's so nice. Yeah. So check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description. This isn't a sponsored video, but I'll at least save you some thumbing through your phone or computer or whatever. And yeah, you should definitely get it. All right, cheers.